Are you a personal trainer, a health and fitness coach, or are you a nutritionist or a yoga trainer? If so, then in this video, I will show you how you can take your career to the next level by presenting yourself online more efficiently. Let's now have a look at what we will learn in this tutorial. So first, I will show you how to create this beautiful homepage of your own. Here at the top, you will have your own banner section. So you can put any background image. On the right side, you can put any headline or your own paragraph. Also, this beautiful button. So you can link this button to anywhere of your website. And then I will show you how to create this section. Here you will have your own image, some other information about yourself. Then I will also show you how to link this button to anywhere of your website or outside of your website. Then underneath here I will show you how you can talk about your program with this beautiful timeline design. For example, you may have weight loss program or meal planning program. You can tweak all these designs by yourself. And then I will show you how to create this package pricing section. As you are a personal trainer, so you may have different packages or different programs. You may have some training courses or ebook. I will show you how you can sell your courses or ebook from inside of your website. And then underneath, I will show you how you can create this beautiful review section. So you can display all your clients' review within this beautiful slider. Then here you can put more information about yourself. And then here we will have the connect section. So you can put your office hours, the phone numbers, email addresses, social connects. And here if your visitors click on this phone number, they can directly call you. I will show you step by step how to do that. And then from the bottom right corner, if we click on this go to top button, that will take us to the top of our website. I will show you how to create your own personal blog. So here within this beautiful timeline design, your all blog posts will be shown. And here if you scroll down, you see here is a load more posts button. If we click on this load more button, here more blog posts will reveal. And then if we go to any single blog post, so here is a blog post. Let's now click on this blog post. It takes us to the single blog post page. Here at the top, we can see the blog categories. Here is the blog title. Then here the blog author name will be shown. And here is the blog publishing date. Underneath here, you can see a big featured image of this blog post. And then if you scroll down here at the left side, this is your real blog post. And inside this blog post, you can insert anything like this image or any quote. Then underneath, you will have these social media share icons. So your visitors can share this blog post on their social media. And here is the blog post author name and the details. I will show you how to do that. And then here's the navigation for going to the previous post and the next post. Underneath, we will have the related blog post within this beautiful carousel. And then your visitors can also make beautiful comments by using this comment form. And on the right side of this blog, here you see at the top, here's the search bar, here's the recent posts. Then underneath, here's the social media links, more recent posts, and here all your blog post categories. Then I will show you how to create your beautiful services page. So you can put all your services here. And then here if you scroll down, we can see the package pricing section. These are not just a static section. These are completely functional. Like I said, as you are a personal trainer, so you may have different packages. You may want to sell your own course or your own ebook. Let's say you may have a course or ebook that's name is weight loss and its price is $99. So from here, if anyone clicks on this register now button, that will take them directly to the cart page. From the cart page, they can increase or decrease the quantity. Also, they will have the apply coupon option. And then from the cart page, they can just simply click here on proceed to checkout. That will take them to the checkout page. From the checkout page, your customers can simply just put their name and all the details information. Then from the right side, they can pay you through directly PayPal or from their debit or credit card. Alright. Then I will show you how to create a beautiful About Me page. Here you can talk about yourself more. In the next section, you can put your all skills with this beautiful progress bars. Also underneath, you can put some fun factors about yourself, like how many happy clients do you have, how many meal plans you have made. And then underneath, I will show you how to reuse the connect section again on this page. I will show you how to create this beautiful contact page. So in this page, you will have this contact form. Here people can put their first name, email address, subject and message. And then when they click on the submit button, you will get all this information on your email box. I will also show you how to work with this header, so you can put your logo on the left. On the right side, you can create this beautiful navigation bar. Then on the very right side here, you will have your all social media links. People can also search through your website by clicking on this search icon. So if I click on this search icon, let's say here I'm searching for keto diet. So I have written here keto diet. Let's now hit enter. So here people can see all the blog posts that has keto diet keyword within it. Okay, then I will also show you how to create this beautiful footer. So here you can again put your all social media handle links, and at the very bottom you can put some copyright text of your own. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop? You don't need to know a single line of coding. So no matter if you have built a website before or if it's your first website, this is the perfect tutorial for you. And let's say if you want to hire a web developer to make a website like this, I mean a clean designed multi-page website, a complete blog with that, also with the e-commerce functionality, that will cost you minimum $3,000 to $5,000. But if you follow this step-by-step tutorial, then you don't have to hire a developer. You can make this complete functional website within $100 only. And if you're a web developer, you can make a huge profit by creating such an amazing website for your clients. You just need to purchase a premium theme that will only cost you around $30 to $60, and you can charge your client $3,000 to $5,000 or higher than that. It depends on your negotiation skill, obviously. I'm really excited to show you how to make this beautiful website. If you're excited like me, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. So without further ado, let's now jump into it. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you 50% discount code. Then I will show you how to install WordPress. Then how to install a theme and a free page builder. And then we will start creating our amazing website. I will also attach timestamp in the description, so you can always back and forth to the specific part you need. Let's now start with the step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, texts you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your own website. Okay, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can go to jimfahaddigital.com/hosting, and this will take you to a special discounted Bluehost page. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I'm a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost, and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted tons of websites here, and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really cooperative in case you need any help, and their price is really affordable. That's why I always recommend Bluehost. So now click on Get Started. Here you can see their different plans. The main difference between them, with the basic plan, you can host only one domain. You can take their Plus or Choice Plus plan if you want to host unlimited domains. Also, you can take their Pro plan if you have millions of visitors on your website already. I recommend starting with the basic plan. Then in future, you can upgrade that anytime. Now let's select the basic plan. Now we will select our domain name. If you already have a domain name that you want to use, you can just go ahead here on the right. But for now, I'm gonna get a new one. Now here, let's try for something like apple.com and click next. It says the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost. Please try a different domain name. It should be because we cannot take that, because we all know that's Apple's official website. So we will be typing our own domain name here, and also if you click on the right side, you can see .site, .net, .info websites. I always recommend to take .com websites because it looks more professional and legit. So I'm gonna type here, let's say our elementor.com, as we are going to make our website through Elementor page builder, and now click on next. It says our elementor.com is available. That's awesome. And here we need to put our account information. I'm putting mine here really fast only to not make you bored. Okay, here you can see the business name field. If you don't have a business, just keep it blank or put your full name. But here's the most important thing, that's your email address. Make sure you put your correct email address, because after completing purchase, a receipt will be sent to that email address. So make sure you put your best email address here. Alright, now scroll down. Here's the package information, and it's automatically set to 36 months. And this is gonna be your cheapest plan. So yes, you're paying for 36 months upfront, but it comes out to only around $3.95 a month. So this is 50% off. That's gonna be your biggest discount. Now what I recommend is to just do 12 months if you don't want to commit to the 36 months or 24 months. It's still 33% saving, and it's only around $5.95 a month. And you also have your domain name for 12 months. So no more additional cost for your domain for these 12 months. And here you got package extras. First, here is the option for domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good, and I always recommend having domain privacy so no one gets to know who is the owner of the website. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm deselecting this one. Let's click on turn it off, because I don't want to hide myself at this moment. I want to be transparent, so if anyone knows I own this website, I have no problem. You can keep this one checked if you want, not a big deal. I'm also deselecting all other options they are offering. We actually don't need that. They are just upselling their stuff. Alright, now you can see the price is now only $71.40 for the full year, including the domain. That's awesome. And I'm legally obligated to tell you that this is my affiliate link. So I do get a little bit of commission off of this, but it does save you a ton of money. And it helps fund these free YouTube tutorials what I'm doing. So everybody wins. I really appreciate it. And here is the payment information. I'm putting my credit card number here, expiration date and CVV code. Then select this one here so that you are agreed to their terms and policy. Now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. Also, you can see here is your receipt. They will also send it to your email. I'm also waiting to get that email. Meantime, we can create our Bluehost account. So let's click on this create account button here. Here's the domain name that's automatically selected. Now let's create our password. Create a really strong password combining capital letters, numbers, special characters. You know how to make a strong password. And then retype the password in the second field. Now check this once again that you have agreed with their terms and policy. Now click on create account. I already have received an email to confirm my purchase. So I'm opening my email. You will also get an email like this. Then click here, verify your email. It's very important. So it's now verified. Awesome. Now let's log in into our Bluehost account with the domain name and password we have just created. If you are logging in for the first time, you may see a pop-up like this. Like it says, let's create a website. Bluehost actually want to help you to make the website. Just click at the very bottom there. I'm not creating a website because I will be showing you everything step by step. And skip all of these pop-ups because we don't need any of that. Cool! We have successfully registered our domain name and web hosting. Congratulations! So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you personally. So now we can move on to step number 2, which is to install WordPress. And for some reason, if you logged out, then log in again. Now from left menu bar, click on My Sites. Then you can click here Create Site or here Create a WordPress Site. I'm clicking here. Sometimes after clicking on My Sites, you may see this My Sites. From there, just click here on Add Site. Then you can see here two options. One is limitless customization and another one is fast, easy site building. As we will be creating our website using an amazing page builder, the Elementor page builder, that's why we will be selecting this option, the limitless customization. So just click here on Get Started. So let's now add a site name and site tagline. We can change that anytime. So I'm putting a site name Jim Fahad Production and site tagline, it deserves to be seen. Now let's click on Advanced. Here you need to put your email address, your username and password for your WordPress. So I'm putting my email address here. WordPress admin username, I want to name it Jim Fahad. And here let's put a password. Do you want to see my password? I'm clicking here on show. So it's ABC123. I will of course show you how you can change it later. So for now, click on next. Close this browser pop-up. Now it says where we want to install our WordPress. So make sure you keep this directory blank. And here is your domain name selected. And Bluehost here is suggesting some free plugins, but we don't need that. Let's deselect this all. Now click next. Awesome, it says WordPress installed successfully. Now you can copy this information right here and save that somewhere on your computer where you can access it again later. And click here to show your password. Actually, I intentionally gave this an easy password, that's ABC123. Never ever use this kind of easy password. I'm showing you shortly how you can change that password. We can now sign into WordPress by clicking here, but this is not the usual way because all the time you cannot log in this way, I mean from this page, this button, right? So you should get used to signing into WordPress all the time is by going up to a new window and typing in your domain name /wp-admin. So I'm typing here my domain name ourelementor.com/wp-admin and click enter. So we can see our WordPress login page here. That means WordPress has installed successfully. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 24 hours to process this installation, and this process is called propagation. It basically has to let everyone know that, hey, this new domain name now exists and registered. But we can see our website instantly. They actually say it might take 30 minutes to 24 hours, but I've been using Bluehost for more than 10 years. I always get domain live immediately. Actually, that's another reason why I love Bluehost. So now you know that your domain name is working. So go ahead and just gonna type in my name, which was the user that I created, and I'm gonna type that easy password ABC123. You can click this eye icon to show it. Now let's click on login. So now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. Now I will make you understand with all of these options, like how to create a page from here, how to create a blog post, or other things like what is a WordPress theme and what is WordPress plugin. But before starting with anything, first I want to clean up the WordPress dashboard because personally I love to work in a clean environment. So to clean up our WordPress admin panel, let's first from this left tab, let's hover over on these plugins and from there go to install plugins. Now here we can see a lot of plugins, but we have not installed any of these plugins. All these plugins came with WordPress default installation. Now if you wonder what is a WordPress plugin, WordPress plugin is something like extra add-on or extra app-like thing that will extend the functionality of your WordPress website. So we will be installing and activating some of the plugins that we will need, but at this moment I want to delete all of these plugins because we don't need any of them. Now we can select one by one like this, but I want to select all of them by clicking here. Then from this bulk action, first click on deactivate and click on apply. And then let's select all of them together. Now from bulk action, this time click on delete. Now click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. So here our all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Then I wanna clean up our WordPress website more. So from left, let's go again to the main dashboard. Now from here we can close all this notification pop-up. So I'm closing this by clicking on this X. Also, if you want, you can minimize all of them like this, and we can do another thing. From top, let's open the screen options, and I'm just deselecting all of them one by one like this. Right now it looks much cleaner. Alright, the next thing, I want to change that easy password. You may remember we have given the password ABC123, so we of course need to change that password. And to change the password, from left, if we hover over on users, from there let's just click on profile. Now under this profile tab, if we scroll down here, you can change your first name, last name. Also, if you want, you can select your nickname. Now here I'm selecting my first name as Jim and my last name as Fahad. And then here, this is the display name publicly as. So from here, I'm selecting Jim Fahad. This display name will be shown on all other pages. Like if you write a blog post on that place as the author of that blog post, this name will be shown there. Then under this contact information, if you want, you can change your email address. Also, if you want, you can put your another website URL. And here inside this biographical information, you can put some text about yourself. So here I'm writing some bio text. Alright, now let's scroll down. From here, if you want, you can change your WordPress profile picture. You just need to click here on this Gravatar link, and from there you can just upload the image. Then under the account management, from here you can change your password. So here you see new password. From there click on set new password. So if you want to use this password, you can do that, but I'm selecting another new password. So first I'm clicking here on this hide. Now here I'm typing the new password. Alright, so here the indicator says medium. That's okay for me. Let's now scroll down and click here update profile. Cool. Now before moving forward, I want to make you familiar with another thing, because if you understand this, that will make your workflow more faster. So right now, whatever you see, all these left tabs or overall all these things, right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. Only we can see this dashboard because we are the admin of the website. But if you now want to see the front end of our website, then from top left corner, hover over on the site name. Here you can see it's a link. It says visit site. I'm opening this link from a new tab. So here, this is the front end of our website. The whole world can see this portion of our website. So in short, this is the back end of our website, or this is the dashboard of our website, and this is the front end of our website. So whole world can see this portion. Alright, so let's go back to the back end or dashboard. Now from here, first I want to delete all of the existing pages and posts because I want to start from scratch so you can understand everything. Now first from left, hover over on pages. From there go to all pages. Here you see we have not created these pages. These pages also came with WordPress default installation, but personally I don't want any of them, so I'm selecting them all together. Then from the bulk action, select move to trash. Now click on apply. Later I will of course show you how to create a new page by yourself. And now let's move to posts. So from the left tab, hover over on posts. From there go to all posts. So here we can also see a dummy blog post that says hello world. I also don't need it, so I'm selecting this. Now from bulk action, click on move to trash. Now click on apply. So the dummy blog post has been deleted. Okay, so right now our WordPress website is completely empty. Now first I just wanna make a very simple settings. So from left tab, hover over on settings. From there let's go to permalinks. And here by default the permalink set to plain, but instead of plain I want to select the post name option. Now let's scroll down and click on save changes. If you wonder why I have selected post name, because it would be very helpful for search engine optimization and it's always a good practice. Alright, now like I said, we will be editing and customizing our whole website using a free page builder, that's Elementor page builder plugin. So now I will be installing the free Elementor page builder plugin. To get that plugin we can just simply go to gymfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page under the important links, if we click on get Elementor free version, let's click there. Alright, it's now taking us to their pro page, because Elementor has also their pro version. It's of course a paid version, but for this tutorial we won't be using Elementor pro version. So from top let's click on this Elementor logo. Now from the home page under the choose your plan button, here you see it says try the free version. Let's now click there. So it's asking you to create a free account. So you just put your email address, set a password and click on create account. Your account will be created instantly. But I already have an Elementor free account, so I'm clicking here on login. So now let's log in. Then it will take you a survey page, but I'm not doing it right now. So from the top right corner, click on skip. Then click on skip one more time. Okay, so from this page, if you scroll down a bit, here you see here is the link for the basic free version. So it says basic version. Let's now click there. Now here you can just put your website URL, then click on check for WordPress, but I don't want to install in this way. Underneath all of this, here you see it says alternatively, if you prefer to install Elementor manually, you can download it here. So I'm clicking on this download link. Now Elementor free version started downloading here. You will find that on your download folder. So basically inside of your download folder, you will get a file like this. It's a zip file. Alright, let's now close this and go inside WordPress dashboard. Now from the left tab, if we hover over on plugins, from there let's now click on add new. And then click on upload plugin from here. Then click here on choose file. Select the zip file that you have just downloaded and click on open. Then click on install now. Alright, then click on activate plugin. So we have successfully installed Elementor page builder plugin. Now we will move to our next portion, that's installing theme. I'm explaining what is a theme, but before that, let's see where to get access on changing themes. So if you want to change your WordPress theme, then from left hover over on this appearance. From there click on themes. Now here we can see some themes like 2021 or 2019 or 2020. All these are WordPress default theme. To be honest, I don't like any of them because they are pretty basic, and there are also a lot of free themes available. So if you wanna see that, then just click here on this big add new theme button. So I'm clicking here. Now here you can see a lot of free themes are available here. So in general, a theme means the look and feel of your website, but actually it doesn't mean just the look and feel of your website, because if we use any of these free themes, we will get very less customization option and very less demo designs. And yeah, if you are a designer or coder by yourself, then of course you can use these free themes, because all these free themes has very less options. So if you use any of these free themes, then you need to design the whole website by yourself. Also, you need to create the custom fields and advanced option by yourself. But if you don't wanna do all of those hard work by yourself, then I highly recommend you to use any of paid theme. And one of my favorite paid theme is SoleDad theme. So for this website, I will be using the SoleDad theme. And if you want to get the SoleDad theme, you just need to go to gymfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. So from that page under important links, here you see it says get SoleDad theme. You can simply click there on this link, or you can go to gymfahaddigital.com/SoleDad. I will also put that link in the description. Alright, so from here I'm clicking here get SoleDad theme. Like I said, of course it's a paid theme, and if you have a look, it has got 36,000 plus sales so far. And with these 36,000 plus customers, they have maintained 4.86 ratings out of 5. That's insane. And one of the reasons I love them most, because if you scroll through here, you see they have all the video tutorials available. They have their written documentation. So if you think, or if you feel confused on any portion during the creation of your website, you can take help of these video tutorials or the written documents. And you see their theme is compatible with all the major browsers like Firefox, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge, Internet Explorer, and they're compatible with all the major plugins like Woocommerce, Elementor, Elementor Pro, WP Bakery, BBPress, BuddyPress, all this. And then the one of the main features that amazed me most, that is their theme is super fast. I've tested their theme before. I have got always 95 plus score both on desktop and mobile device. Also, you see on Pingdom and GTmetrix, you will always get page speed score A. And also you will get their custom widgets. So additionally, you don't need to purchase Elementor Pro whenever you are using the SoleDad theme. Then you can translate your website very easily because they have WPML and polylang support. And also you see they have their own header builder, footer builder. So you can create your website just by few clicks. And in this tutorial, I will show you how easily you can do that using this SoleDad theme. So first, from the top of this page, you see their regular license price is only $59, and I know it's worth each of the penny. So let's now purchase the theme. So from here, I'm clicking here on add to cart. Now it's asking, do I need any extended support for 12 months? If you need that, then you can check it here. But for now, I don't need that. So let's click here on go to checkout. Okay, so here first you need to create an Envato account. It's very simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, and email address. But I already have an Envato account, so I'm clicking here on sign in. I'm signing in here using my username and password. Let's click on sign into your account. Alright, so from the payment method, you can use your credit card, PayPal, or Skrill. I want to use my credit card. So I will of course blur out this portion. Alright, so here I have put all my credit card information. Now let's click here on pay securely. Alright, now it says payment complete and email confirmation is coming your way. The item is now available on your download page. So from here you can just simply click on this download page. But let's say in future if you don't find this page, then you can always just go to the top right of the website, and if you hover over on your name, then from there you see there is a link, it says downloads. So let's now click on downloads. So here we can see the theme that we have just purchased is SoleDad multipurpose newspaper, blog, and Woocommerce WordPress theme. So from here click on this green download button. Now from here let's click on all files and documentation. So I'm clicking here. So here all the SoleDad themes file started downloading here. You will find that on your download folder or wherever you save all the download files. And also we need to download another file. So from here let's also download this one. It says license certificate and purchase code. So let's download it as well, because it will provide us a license code or license key that we will be needing to activate the theme. Alright, so we have basically downloaded these two files here, this one and this one. Let's now unzip the first file. Within this file we will get the main theme. So I'm just unzipping it, and here inside this folder we can see there is a zip file. It says soledad.zip. We will be needing this file. Okay, now let's go inside our WordPress dashboard, and now to install the SoleDad theme from here, again just make sure you are under appearance and then click on themes. Now at the top of the page after the add themes, click on upload theme. Now click here, choose file. Let's now select this soledad.zip file. Now click on open. Then click on install now. Alright, the SoleDad theme installation has been done. Now from here, click on activate. Cool, but now we need to activate the theme. So from here, let's now go under active theme. Then from here, if you scroll down here, you need to put your purchase code or the key. And you remember we have downloaded another license file. So this text file, let's open this text file. So here under item URL, under item ID, here it is, it says item purchase code. Let's just copy your purchase code from here. Now let's go back to the dashboard, paste the purchase code here within this field, and then click on activate theme. Cool, it says active SoleDad theme successfully activated. Thanks for buying our product. Okay, so we have successfully installed and activated the SoleDad theme. Now we need to install some plugins. So from here, you can easily click on this installed plugins button. But I want to show you step by step how you can access here in this place. Let's say if you just go to dashboard again, and now if you want to go back under the previous SoleDad page, then from the left bar, click on this SoleDad. And here we see it says step 1, install and activate the recommended plugins. So from here, I'm clicking on install plugins. Now here you see there are a lot of plugins here. They are recommending to install, but on this particular website, we don't need all these plugins. But for this moment, I just don't wanna make things complicated. So I'm selecting this all from the bulk action. Let's now click on install and then click on apply, because right now I'm installing all of these plugins, and after the end of this tutorial, and the end portion of this tutorial, I will be deactivating the plugins that are not necessary for this particular website. But for the moment, I have installed all their recommended plugins. To double check that, if we now go to plugins, hover over on that, and let's now click on installed plugins. You see we have installed and activated all these plugins. At the last portion of this tutorial, I will be disabling and deleting all the unnecessary plugins that we don't need on this particular website. Okay, so for now, let's keep it like this. And now I wanna import a demo website. So to do it, from left, if we hover over on appearance, from there, let's now click on import demo data. So here they have provided some guideline. If you want, you can read all of them, but that's nothing crazy, because I will be also showing all of this step by step. Okay, so for now, let's scroll down. Here you can browse through all of their demo websites like Art Magazine, Astrology Club, Beauty and Cosmetics News, Beauty website, Beauty Salon website, Book website, Restaurant website, Business website, all of this. Also, if you get confused which demo website is suitable for you, then you can search the demo site. You can search the demo site from the top of this bar. Let's say from the top of this search bar, you can just search for delivery website. So all these search results are delivery websites, demo website. Okay, let's clear the search bar from here. And now in this particular tutorial, we will be creating a health and beauty website. It's suitable for any nutritionist, any health trainer or fitness trainer, or any yoga coach. So from here, I'm searching for health, and here it says health coach. Now make sure the import demo style and import demo content both are selected. Now from here, click on this import button. Now browser pop-up says, are you sure you want to import this demo? Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. So it started importing the whole demo website. So it might take 3 to 7 minutes. So I'm waiting. Alright, now it says import completed. Now to check it, we can go to posts or pages. So first, let's go to pages, to all pages, so we can check if there is pages has been imported or not. Yes, we can see here the about me, contact, my blog, services, and SoleDad page has been imported. Also, if we now go to posts, to all posts, here we see some of the dummy blog posts has been imported here as well. Cool. And of course, I will show you how to write a blog post by yourself, how to create categories, how to attach tags, how to add featured images by yourself from scratch. So no worries about them. For now, I'm just making sure we have imported everything successfully. Also, let's check the media files. So from here, if we now go to media to library, here we can see all these images has been imported as well. Alright, let's now go to the front end of our website. So this is the home page. It was before installing the SoleDad theme. So right now we have installed SoleDad theme, and then we have imported the health demo website. So if we now refresh this page, boom, here we go. So here instantly we can see our beautiful website. This is the home page. Here we can see the global header. All the sections are instantly available here. I will of course show you how to customize all of these by yourself. So you can put all your custom informations here. I will show you everything, how to change each of these, how to change all of these images, all of this text, all the background images, everything. So let's now start by customizing the home page. And right now we are at the front end of our home page, and as we are the admin of the website, so you can always see this top black bar. So from here you can always click on edit with Elementor to edit and customize this page. So this is one of the ways, but the best way is you just go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then from left, let's now click on pages to all pages. Then here we can see this is our home page. It says SoleDad home. So from here you can directly click on edit with Elementor. Also, if you want, you can click here on this edit button. Okay, let's now close this pop-up. I'm clicking on this X. And right now we can see this page on full screen, but I want that black bar on the left side. So to enable that, from the top right corner, click on these 3 vertical dots, and then click here to disable the full screen mode. Alright, so we are at our home page. At this moment, click here on this big button says edit with Elementor. So we are now inside Elementor page builder, and here's the fun part begin. Now first, before customizing our website, let me familiarize you with the Elementor page builder. It's super simple, super handy. So here at the top you can see this is our global header. Like here on the left this is our logo, and on the right side this is our navigation menu. Then on the right side this is our social media icons. Everything inside this header, we will be changing all this information from the theme customizer, not from Elementor page builder. Also, if we go to the very bottom of this page, here we can see this is our global footer. So here we will have all the social media handles, and at the bottom here is some copyright text. Now whatever you can see in between this footer and this header, so all of these contents, all these sections, all this pricing area, the testimonial area, your packages, all the top banner, we can adjust and edit everything using Elementor page builder. Now here on the left side, everything you can see, all these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. By the way, these elements, specifically these elements, are coming from SoleDad theme. So you are getting all these widgets, and if you now scroll through, here you can see more elements. These are the basic Elementor widgets like heading widget, image, video, button widgets. And then if you scroll down, here you can see some pro widgets. But in this tutorial, we won't be using any pro widget, so I'm minimizing this one. Here we have got more widgets like icon box, image carousel, tabs, testimonial, all these. So here, before customizing the existing design or the demo website, I want to make you familiar how to create anything using Elementor page builder. So let's say I want to take a section in between this first banner and this second section. So to create a new section, I'm clicking on this plus icon. By the way, I'm creating this only for giving you an example. Later, I will be deleting this section. I'm giving you the example so you can better understand the Elementor page builder and how it works. Okay, so to take a new section, we need to click on this red plus icon. Then you can select any structure like single column, 2 column, 3 column, or any of these structures. So for now, I'm selecting this single column structure. Now here within this blue line, everything you can see within this blue line, this is the section. Now if you want, you can increase the height of this section. From left, you see it says height. From here I'm setting it to minimum height. Now by default it's set to 400 pixel, but if you want you can increase the height by dragging this bar to the right. You can decrease the height by dragging this bar to the left in this way. Okay, now let's say if you wanna add a background image or background color with this section, then you just need to make sure you are selecting this section by clicking on these 6 dots. Then from left, let's go under the style tab. From here, let's now click on this background type. I'm clicking on this pencil icon. So if you want, you can give it a solid color from here. So I'm clicking on this color picker. From here, you can take any color like red or black, or you can select any other color from this color bar like blue or pinkish color like this. Also, if you wanna add a background image instead of a solid color, then you can select that image from here. So I'm clicking on choose image. You can use any of these images that we have imported, but for now I'm showing you how you can import any image, not import, how you can upload an image from your computer. So you just need to click here on upload files, then click on select files. For example, let's select this image. Now click on open. Now click on insert media. Then if you want to play with its position, so from here position, let's now make it to center. Then the attachment, you can make it to scroll or fixed. Then here repeat, I'm making it no repeat. And here size, I'm making it cover. So it covers this whole section's area. Okay. Now this is our section, and inside of this section we have one column here. Now if you want to select any column, then here you can see an column icon. So I'm selecting this column. Again, we can go under this columns style tab here. Now let's say if you wanna give this column a different background color, you can do that from here. So background type, click on this pencil icon. From here I'm selecting a color. So from here I'm selecting black color, but I wanna make it a bit transparent. So I'm dragging this bottom bar a bit left side here like this. Alright. Now let's say if you wanna add some space at the right side and left side of this column, then you can just go under the advanced tab of this column, and from here you can use the margin. So first of all, I'm unlinking by clicking here. So like I said, I only wanna use the space at the left and right. So here you see the right, I'm adding, for example, 40 pixel of margin, and on the left side I'm adding 40 pixel of margin. We cannot see the spaces at the left and right at this moment, because before that we need to add some element inside of this column. So if we want to add any element or widget inside this column, we need to click on this plus icon. So let's click on this plus icon, and let's first add here a heading widget. So I'm searching for the heading widget. Here we go. Let's drag this heading widget inside of this column here. Now you see this is our heading widget. Now if you wanna change the text of this heading, from here, for example, I'm writing here health and fitness. Now you can make the alignment to centered by clicking here the alignment to centered. Now I wanna do some styling with this heading, so go under style tab. From here I'm changing the text color, so let's click on this color picker. I'm making the color to pure white color like this. Then I want to do some work with this typography, so click on this pencil icon. From here, if you want, you can change the font of this text or heading. So here, if I click on the font family, here you can see a lot of fonts available. All of these are Google fonts. So here I'm searching for Alan font. So select the Alan font, and then if you wanna make this heading more bigger, then just drag this size bar to the right side like this. You see it's becoming bigger. You can make it smaller or bigger by dragging this bar. Then if you wanna make it more bolder, from here I'm making it 900. Then transform, we can make it all uppercase or all lowercase. Let's keep it the default. Then also you can play with the style like normal or italic. I'm keeping it default. Also you can increase the line height from here like this, or you can increase or decrease the letter spacing from here in this way. Alright, now let's say underneath this heading, if you want to add some text or paragraph, then from top here you need to click on this Rubik's Cube icon. Also you can search the widget name from here. So I'm searching for text editor widget. Here it is. I'm dragging this text editor widget underneath this heading here. Let's drop it. Now you can change the text from here in this place. You can do some style, just go under style tab. From here I'm also making the text color to white color, then I'm making the alignment to centered. You can also play with its typography, like if you want to make their font size bigger like this, you can do that. Now let's say if you wanna add some space at the left side and right side of this text or paragraph, you can do that from under advanced tab. So let's go under advanced tab, and this time I will be using padding. So first let's unlink the padding. Only on the left and right I'm adding 50 pixel of padding. Okay, let's say now underneath this text editor, if you want to add a button, again just click on this Rubik's Cube icon. From here I'm typing button. So here's the button widget. You can use this button widget or the fancy button widget. For the moment I'm dragging this button widget underneath this paragraph here. Then you can make the alignment to centered, and here's the link option. So if you want to link it to any other page of this website, you can just put the link of the page here. No matter if it's this website's link, or you can put here any external link. Then if you want to change the text, like I'm writing here read more, then go under style tab. From here you can change the button color. So instead of this green, let's say if you wanna make the button color red, so I'm dragging the color to the red side and let's make it red color. You see, it's very simple. So in this way you can create everything step by step by yourself. But like I said, as you have already purchased SoleDad theme, so you don't need to do all of the work by yourself. I'm just showing you the example how to work with Elementor page builder, so you can customize or adjust a whole page. I mean, you can change all the contents, you can change all the backgrounds with your own background image, all the text with your own text, all the button links with your own links. Now you can do everything very easily. So this portion, it was only to give you some example. I hope you already understand how Elementor page builder works, so we don't need this section anymore. Now I wanna delete it, so from here let's click on this X to delete this example section. It's gone. Alright, let's now start customizing our real home page from here. So first, let's say if you wanna change the background image of this section, you already know that how to do it. So from here, let's just click on this 6 dots. Now the whole section is selected. Then if you wanna change the background image, just go under style tab. From here, you see the background image is coming from here. Now if you wanna change the background image, you need to just click here on this image. And you can select any of the image from the media library, or you can select any image from your computer. But for now I wanna keep the background image the way it is, so I'm closing it. Then if you wanna change this text and paragraph, just click over it. So it's very handy. Whenever you wanna select anything, I mean whenever you wanna change anything, just click over that. Then you will get all the options here. Like on the right side it says Eat Clean Health Coach, and underneath here is some paragraph. If we wanna change all of this text and paragraph, just go to the left side, and if you scroll down a bit, you see here under title it says title text, and this text is coming from here. Now you may wonder what this BR tag means. BR means the line break. Like here you see after Eat Clean there is a line break, and then Health Coach this line starts. But from here if we remove this BR tag, I'm removing it. Now they are at the same line, but I want that line break, so I'm adding the line break again. Now here you can change all the text with your own text, and then if you wanna change the paragraph, just scroll down. From here under the description, whatever you will write within this description field, that will appear here. You see how simple it is. Okay, now let me show you more options. Like here underneath you see custom margin top for content. So if you want to add more space in between this headline and the paragraph, then you can just increase the bar from here. So you see they have got more breathing space in between. And if you want to go back to default, just remove the value from here, so it's the previous state. Then also if you wanna adjust the width, like right now they are covering this width, but if you wanna increase or decrease the width of this portion, you can do that from here. It says custom width for content. So if you wanna decrease it, just drag this bar to the left. You see their width is now decreasing, but I don't want that, so I wanna keep the default 510 pixel like before. Alright, now let's say here you can see a background color only with this column. So if you don't want this background color with this column, you just need to select this column, go under its style tab. You see the background color of this column is coming from this color picker. So instead of this color, if you wanna put here any other color or your brand color, you can do that from here like this. I'm changing this color with another color in this way. But you know, the previous color was better, so I'm pressing just Command Z. So we have got back to the previous color. You can always undo your work. If you are from Mac, then you need to press Command Z, and if you are from Windows, then you need to press Ctrl Z. Alright, now here is a button. Let's now work with this button. First, let's select this button. Now here, if you want to change this button text, by default it says become clients, but here I want it to say contact now. And then I wanna link this button with our contact page. So here inside this link field, I started typing contact, and here it's suggesting the contact page of our website. So I'm selecting the contact page. Now we can see the contact page URL, that's https://our-websitename.com/contact. So this is the link of the contact page. Now if we click on this contact button, it will take us to the contact page of our website. Alright, let's now scroll down. Here if we have a look at the bottom of this section, we can see some wave effect. So if you also want to play with this wave effect, you just need to make sure you have selected the section. So I'm selecting this section by clicking on the 6 dots. Let's now go under the style tab. From here, if you scroll down, here you can see shape divider. Let's open it. And if we now go under bottom, you see the bottom shape divider is set to waves brush. But instead of waves brush, if you want to select any other pattern or any other shape, like if you want, you can set the tilt option here. Now you see it's tilted instead of that wave. Also there are more options. You can play with all of this, like if you want, you can put the mountain shape. See, now at the bottom we have got the mountain shape, but the previous waves shapes was far better than this. So I'm switching back to the waves brush. Here is the waves brush. Let's select it again. Alright, it looks cool. Now let's scroll down and go to the next section. You already understand how easy it is to change anything, any portion, any image of the website. Like here, if you want to change this heading and paragraph, just click over it. Then on the left side, you will find all the options. Like if you want to change this new where, new you text, then you can change it from here. If you want to put your real text here, the description, then you can change that from inside this description field. Then here, let me show you another interesting thing. Let's say if you wanna put this image on the left column, and if you wanna put all of this content on the right side, how can you do that? You can do that very easily. You can just swap that like a twist. Just grab this column and drag it to the left side here. You see, instantly the right column is now on the left and the left column on the right side. And somehow if you change your mind, you can also undo that. So press on Command Z. It's instantly reversed. And then if you want to change this image with your own image, just click over this image. Then from here, you can choose another image of your own and upload that here. Also, you can change this image on the same technique. Now here we have got another button. It says My Program. I will show you shortly because here I want to do a trick. Whenever anyone clicks on this My Program button, that will jump them to the bottom area, bottom section, this section. Whenever anyone clicks on this My Program button, the page directly scrolls to this portion of the website. I'm showing you that very shortly, but before that, let's now have a look with other portion of the website. So if you want to change this text and paragraph, just click over it and you can change all of them from here. Then if you want to change these images, you can do that. Just click over it and change the image. Within this section, you can put all about your programs, all the details, like weight loss could be your one of programs, then meal planning or juice detox program. Then let's say if you want to change this icon or this text, just click over it. First, instead of this bull eye, if you wanna put here any other icon, just click over here. You will find huge list of icons. You can just scroll through or you can search the icons from the search bar. For example, if I put here this check square, so I'm selecting it. You see it's changed immediately. Then if you wanna change the title, you can change that from here. If you wanna change the paragraph, you can change that from this place. Very simple. Alright, let's now scroll down. This is the package pricing section, and it won't be just a static pricing. I will show you very shortly how you can make it fully functional, because I will also show you how to add e-commerce functionality with all of this pricing. So whenever anyone clicks on this register now, that will take them to the checkout page and they can pay you through their credit card. So all this pricing will be 100% functional. But for the moment, let's have a look how you can change all this text or these prices from here. So just click over it. Then from here you can change this text, the weight loss text from here. Then if you wanna put any short text, you can put that here inside the pricing subtitle. You can set the price here inside. You already understand it. You can change everything from inside this field. And like I said, at the last portion of this tutorial, I will show you how to make it completely functional using Woocommerce, so your customers can pay you instantly. Alright, let's now go to the next section. This is the client's testimonial section. So here you can put your client's reviews or testimonials as many as you want, and it will work like a slider. So first, let's click over it. Here by default, we have got 1, 2, 3 reviews. Okay, first let's open a review. So I'm opening the item 1. Now here you see we have got one headshot or image. So you can replace the image from here. You can change this Kelly name from inside this custom name field. Then you can change this full review, the text review, from inside this description field, and you can change the rating from here. By default it's 5, but let's say if you wanna put the rating to 4, you can select 4 from here. So now you see the rating is 4, but who wanna give them 4-star rating on their own website? So I'm making the rating to 5. Okay, this is the first testimonial or first review. Now let's close the first item like this. Here inside, this is the testimonial 2. If we now click on this next arrow, here we can see the next one. If you want to update that, you can do from inside this item 2 field. If you want to update the third review, you can do that from under this item 3. And then if you want to add more reviews, then you can just click here on add item, or you can just duplicate one of the available reviews. So I just want to duplicate the item 3. So I'm clicking here on the duplicate icon. Now open the item 4. From here, let's say I'm naming it Jim Fahad. Then we can change this image with any other image. So I'm opening the media library. From here, for example, I'm setting this image. Now click on insert media. Now if we go to the next review, and here's the 4th review. You see the image has been changed here. The name is Jim Fahad, and you can change this text and the ratings from here. Alright, let's now go to the next section. Here you can talk a bit more about your services. So here you can change this image with your own image. You can change this text with your own text from here. Now let me show you another interesting thing. Like here we can see 2 columns, but let's say if you wanna add 2 more columns underneath this section here, you can do that very easily. You just need to right click over these 6 dots and then click on duplicate. You see here 2 other columns has been added instantly. but you see it's overlapping each other. So in this case, we can just add some margin at the top of this section. So select this section, go under its advanced tab. From here, instead of -150, I'm adding 50 pixel. So here underneath this section, we have got another new section here. I have duplicated this section only to giving you example. If you have more features to talk on your website, you can do that. But for now, I don't need it, so I'm deleting it from here. Let's click on this X. Okay, now underneath this, here is the Connect with Me section. And you can change this background image by clicking on the 6 dots, go under the Style tab. You can change the image from here. And then you can change all this text from these fields. Like if you want to put here your office hours, the phone numbers, the email addresses, the social icons, you can do that inside of these fields very easily. Okay, I'm showing you how to do that. So first, I wanna change the text of this office hours. So I'm clicking over this. And again, if you wanna change the icons, you can change them from here. You see there are lots of icons, but for now, let's keep the default office hours icon. Then if we scroll down, now inside of this paragraph field or the text editor field, I wanna change the office hours. So for example, Monday to Friday, I'm setting it to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then let's add a line break. And here I want to say Saturday to Sunday. I just wanna say it closed. Alright, now click on the phone numbers. Here I will also show you an interesting thing. So let's just scroll down, and inside the text editor here, first I'm putting here a fake phone number. So that might be like anything. It's just a random fake number. Okay, now I want to show you how you can make this phone number clickable. That means whenever anyone clicks on this phone number, that will make a direct call to your phone. So to do it, first I'm selecting this whole phone number. Then from top, click on this insert link. Now here, first type TEL, that's tel, then a colon, and then put your phone number with the country code, something like +880, then your phone number, and then hit enter. Now if anyone clicks on this phone number, they will directly call to your phone. In the same way, I'm just copying this, and then let's add a line break. Here I'm pasting another phone number, so you can just change this number with another number. And also here, click on this edit icon. You can put the real phone number here like this and hit on enter. In this way, you can put your two real numbers. Now, whenever anyone clicks on any of these numbers, you will get a real call on your phone. How cool is that? Now, let's work with the email addresses. So click over it. I'll also show you how to make click to email function. So first, let's remove this text. So here again, I'm putting here a fake email address. Of course, this is not my real email address. So I'm typing here the email address. Okay, now let's say if you wanna make this clickable, so whenever anyone clicks on this email address, they will directly mail you. To make it that functional, you just need to select this whole email address. Now click on this insert link icon. Actually, WordPress itself done the job. So here it's added mail to colon the email address. Now click on this apply button. Now if anyone clicks over this email address, they can send you email directly. So here I'm adding another email address. I'm just putting here another fake email address. Again, select whole this email address. From top, click the edit link. So it's now mail to colon then the email address. Now click on apply. So in the same way, you can add some of your major social media links here. So I'm clicking over here, then inside of the text editor field, let's remove the default text. First I'm typing here Facebook, then let's add a line break, and here I'm typing Instagram. So first let's select the Facebook text, click on this edit link. Then inside of this link, you can put your Facebook page URL. So here inside I have put my own Facebook page URL. Now hit enter, and then I'm adding a line break. Oops, we don't need any line break because we already have written Instagram at the bottom. So I'm removing the line break. Now let's select the Instagram text, also give it a link. So here I have added my Instagram handle. Now click on apply. Alright, so far we have done with this connect with me section. and here at the very bottom we have the global footer. So we will be customizing this global footer from the theme settings, not from inside Elementor page builder. Otherwise we are done with our beautiful home page. But here I want to show you another thing. As we have written all of the informations here, like our office hours, our phone number, our email address, our social connects, everything here, I want to use this section on other pages, like on our services or about me pages. And I don't want to repeat the same work on the other pages. That's why I want to save this section as a template, then I can easily reuse that on the services, about me, or any other pages. So first, let's save this section as a template. To do it, just right click over these 6 dots here, then click on Save as Template. Now I wanna give it a name, so I'm naming it Connect Me section, then click on Save. Alright, so you see it's saved under my templates and its name is Connect Me section. Alright, for now let's close it. Otherwise, we're done with our beautiful home page. Now to save all of our hard work, all you need to do, just click here on this green update button. Alright, let's now customize our services page, and to do that, first I want to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So to go back to our WordPress dashboard, from the left side here you need to click on this hamburger icon, then click on Exit to Dashboard. Alright, now from left here pages, let's now go to all pages. Then I want to work with the services page. So here it is. From here click on Edit with Elementor. Alright, let's now start customizing our beautiful services page. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. Sometimes you may see your page is broken, or you may see some unusual things. So in case if you see something like that, make sure your page is set to Elementor full width. How can you check that? Whenever you are editing any page, just go to the very bottom left of your page, click on this gear icon, and from here make sure your page layout is set to page full width. Also, if you want, you can select Elementor full width, but for now let's keep the page full width all time. Don't select the Elementor canvas or any other template or layout. Select the page full width. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Actually it was the default one. Alright, so we are now at our services page. Here, let's say if you wanna change the background of this top banner, then you can change the background image or background color from here. All you need to do, you just need to select these 6 dots, but I cannot grab these 6 dots from top. Sometimes it's happened because here we have got our global header. So if we now want to select this whole section, all you need to do, just right click here on any empty space. Oops, not here. Just make sure you are inside of this section, then right click here, then click on Edit Section. Now let's go under the Style tab. Then from here, if you wanna add any background image, you can do that from here. So let's choose an image. Then from here you can select any of this image, then click on Insert Media. Also you can adjust the position from here, like sender, attachment to scroll, and then size to cover. So if you want, you can use any background image if you like, but here instead of any background image, I wanna use a solid background color. So let's delete the image by clicking on this delete icon. Now from the color picker, let's select the color picker. Here I'm adding a color code that's #C3E1C3. It looks decent, but you can of course play with this. You can use any other background color or any other background image if you want. Then if you scroll down here, we have got the 3 main services. Here we have got weight loss, here's the meal planning, here is the juice detox, and you can change any of these the way you want. If you want to change this image, just select this image by clicking over it, then you can replace the image from here. If you want to change this text icon or the paragraph text, just click over it and you can change everything from here. You already know that. And let's say if you have more services than 3, then you can just duplicate this whole section. Just right click here and click on duplicate. You see the new 3 services has been added here. You can replace this image and text with other service name. But for now I don't need that, so I'm deleting this section. Then here we have got the package pricing. Like I said on the home page, we will be make it totally functional using Woocommerce, and no worries, that's completely free. So I will show you that at the very last part of the tutorial. Let's now scroll down. Here you can add some factors about your program, like if your program has any refund policies or any other feature like immediate results or 2 months program. If your program is a 6-month program or 1 year long program, you can put the text here. You know your business better, so you understand what to write here in these places. Alright, let's now scroll down, and here we have got the very last section of this page. And now let's say if you wanna run any offer, for example it says 50% off on all package like this. If you wanna add any promotion on your website, then you can use this timer. So let's select it. Now from here you can set the year. So here instead of 2020, I'm making it 2022, and let's say this offer will end after January 15. So here month I'm making it 1 means January, you know, and here day I'm making it 15. So after 15th January this offer will end. So in this easy way you can create this timer from this place, and then you can link this button with your offer page. And you know, I already have shown you on the home page how you can change these office hours, phone numbers, social connect or email addresses. But now here I wanna show you another efficient way. Like you may remember on the home page we have saved this whole section as a template. Now I wanna import that section in this page. So to import that section, let's scroll down. From here click on this folder icon this time, and now go under my templates here. You see we have saved this template connect me section. Let's now click on this green insert and then click on no. Now let's say if you wanna use the same section instead of this section, then you can just simply delete this section from this page. So you can just keep this section on this services page like the home page. But now here I want to show you another interesting thing. Like if you just reuse the right column, this portion, or only these social factors or your office hours, email address, phone numbers, all these informations only, and you want to keep all the same, then let me show you a trick. So from here I'm just right clicking over this inner section, right click here, then copy it. Now go to the top section, put your cursor here over these 6 dots, then right click here and click on paste. So here underneath we have got the copied inner section, and we don't need this because we already have done the work with these sections. So let's delete the dummy one, this one, and also on the services page we don't need this. So let's delete the entire section by clicking on this X. Alright, so we are also done with our beautiful services page. Let's now start working with the About Me page, but before that here I want to show you another thing, because on the About Me page I will also use the same color. That's why I want to make this color as a global color so we can use the color on any other page. To do it, again just right click here, click on edit section, go under its style tab. Here we have got this color, so we don't need to copy this color and go other page then paste the color. We don't need to back and forth this type of work all the time. More easily we can just set this color as a global color. To do it, make sure this color is selected here, then click on this plus icon. We can name it light green. Now let's click on create. So this color is now set as global color. We can reuse the color on any other page of this website. Alright, so we are done with our beautiful services page. To save our work, click on this green update button. Let's now quickly move to our About Me page. So from the hamburger, click on exit to dashboard, and then from pages let's go to all pages. Now here is our About Me page. Let's now click on edit with Elementor. Now here on the About Me page top banner, I want to use the same color. That's why we have taken the global color. Now to apply that color, just right click here, then click on edit section, go under its style tab. Then you don't need to select the color manually from the color picker. This time you can simply click on this globe icon to pick that global color. So I'm clicking here. Then you remember we have named it light green. So I'm selecting the global light green color and here we go. Then if you scroll down on the About Me page, here you are free to put anything what you want to put about yourself, because it's about you. So you know better what represent yourself. You can change all these images with your own image. You can put this text, this paragraph with your own text. Then if you scroll down here, you can put your skills. So on the right side, you can replace this image with your own image, and on the left side, I'm showing you how easily you can change this progress bar with your own skills. So to change it, just click over this progress bar. Now let's say if you want to edit the first skill, then here this one is coming from the first one. It says Be Fitness. Okay, I'm clicking here. Now let's change the label. So instead of Be Fitness, I'm writing here just training. Now you see it's instantly changed to training. Now here the value is 90. If you want to change the value, you can change it from here. So instead of 90, I'm setting it to 95. So here the default color is this greenish color. If you want to change the green color, you can do that from here. You see custom background color. So just click on this color picker. Then from here you can change any other color like red, for example. So here you see the color has become red. But I don't want that, so I'm just redoing it. So from here, click on this clear button. Now it's went back to the green color. In the same way, if you want, you can change all of this with your own skills. And if you wanna add more skills, then you can just simply click on this duplicate icon. Then you can change that with your other skills. Then let's scroll down here. You can add some fun factors about yourself or some number factors, like how many clients do you have, how many weight loss clients do you have, all this. Then if you wanna change any of this, just click over it. Like here, instead of 90 plus new clients, here instead of 90, I want it to say 234. And then instead of new clients, I wanna say it keto plans. Okay, and also you can control the animation duration. Actually, you can play with all of this. I'm just showing you the major things, and then you are free to play with all these options. Like after all of this, you see there is a suffix, that's a plus icon. Instead of plus icon, if you put here any other icon or any other number, for example here I'm typing just gym. So you see after the 2, 3, 4 number, here is gym added. So you can add here anything as the suffix, but the plus makes more sense. So here I'm adding plus as the suffix of the number. Alright, let's now scroll down. Here we have got another connect section, and again to make our website synced, instead of this section I want to use that pre-made template that we created from the home page. So from here I'm deleting this connect section, and let's now click on this folder icon because I want to import that template. So go under my templates, from here connect me section, click on this green insert button. Now click on no. It's done. Alright, so far we have also completed the About Me page. Let's now go to our contact page, but before that don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. Okay, now from hamburger click on exit to dashboard. Again from pages go to all pages. So here we want to work with the contact page. Here we go. Now let's click on edit with Elementor. So here, first I wanna change the background color to sync this page with other pages. So right click here, click on edit section. Now go under style tab. From here, I wanna select the global color, that's the light green color. Alright, now we have got here the contact form. Okay, I'm showing you shortly how you can work with this contact form. Let's now scroll down, and here, instead of this, I wanna reuse that template. So let's just delete this section. Now from underneath, click on this folder icon, go to my templates. Let's just wait. Okay, it's loaded, and here it says connect me section. Click on this green insert button and click on no. Alright, so we have added the bottom section, I mean the connect section, by importing the template. Now here I wanna show you one of the most important things of your website, that's the contact form. So using this contact form, people can communicate with you very easily. Okay, so first let's select this form from here. Now on the left we can see this form is made using Contact Form 7 plugin. Okay, so here first let's keep the page the way it is. So to save the page, let's now click here on this green update button, because now I will go back to the WordPress dashboard because I want to create a contact form first. Alright, let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then from the left menu bar here you can see there is a menu link, it says contact. So from that contact, let's now click on contact forms. And then here inside one pre-made contact form we can see it says contact form 1. I wanna reuse it, so first let's click here on this edit icon. Now here I wanna keep the contact form exactly like this because it will have the name field, it will have email field, the subject field and the message field, and then it will have a submit button. So we don't need any other input field other than this. So let's keep it like this. All I want to do, I just want to change the email address. I mean where I want to receive the email, I want to change that email address. To change it, from here after the form, here you can see it says mail, click there. Now by default the to is set to the email address that you are using on this WordPress website. So here if you want you can keep the email address. Then whenever anyone comes to your website's contact page, they fill up their name, email address, subject and message, and when they hit on the submit button, you will receive that as an email on this email address. That's basically your WordPress default email address. But here instead of this you can add any other email address. Like here I'm adding one of my email address, that's elementor@fahaddigital.com. Okay, that's it. I don't wanna change any other thing like from subject. I wanna keep everything default. So now from the top right corner, click on save. So here just remember one thing, our contact form name is contact form 1 and this is the short code of our contact form. Even from left, if we go to contact forms, here we can see this is our contact form 1 and the short code is this. So from here I'm just copying this short code. Let's copy it and now let's go inside Elementor page builder. This is our contact page. Now before doing anything, first I want to refresh the page. So let's refresh the page. Otherwise it won't get synced with the contact form that we have just made. That's why I'm refreshing the Elementor page builder. I mean the contact pages Elementor page builder. Okay, let's now click over this contact form and here first remove the existing shortcode and here I'm pasting the shortcode that we have just copied. Here you go, and from top click on apply. So here we can see our new contact form. It has your name field, email field, subject field and message field. But you know what, I want to add some space at the left and right side. So to do it, let's click on this contact form here. Now go under its advanced tab. From here, let's unbind the padding. Only on the left and right, I'm adding 50 pixel of padding like this. Okay, let's now click on this green update button to save our work. And now I want to check if this contact form is working or not. And one important thing, this contact form of course will not work inside of the Elementor page builder. We need to test this contact form from a real web page. So if you want to preview the page on a real browser, all you need to do from here, just click on this eyeball icon to preview this page on real browser. So I'm clicking here on this eyeball icon. Alright, now from the contact page, let's fill out this contact form. So here I'm quickly putting my name, email address, subject and a message. So here first I'm putting a fake name, that's John Doe. A fake email address, johndoe@gmail.com, and here is a subject. So here I wanted to say I need a custom mail. So for example, I'm a customer and here I'm writing, I want a custom meal plan for next 16 weeks. Alright, that's okay for now. Now let's click on this submit button to check if it's working or not. So it's now spinning here. I'm waiting. And yeah, it says, thank you for your message. It has been sent. Cool. Alright, so as we are the admin of this website, I already have received a mail. So if I now open the mail, here you see this email has came from Fahad Production, that's our website name, and we can see it's WordPress@ourelementor.com. Also the first name is John Doe, the subject is I need a custom meal, and here is the message body. It says I want a custom meal plan for the next 16 weeks, and underneath it says this email was sent from a contact form on Fahad Production. Then here's the website name, and of course on your website you can see here on behalf of your website name and your website URL. Then if you want to reply back to this customer, you can just click here on reply and you can write your reply message. Alright, let's now go back to our browser. So just have a quick look. Let's first go to the home page. So here I'm clicking on the logo. So we have completed our beautiful home page. We now know how to change all of the images, all of the contents, all the background images, everything. Let's now go to the services page. Now you also know how to customize the services page. Also, let's now go to the about page. You also know how to work with about me page, how to work with this progress bar, these fun numbers, and how to reuse any template that you have created on other page like this connect area. Also, let's now go to the contact page. You know how to create a contact form by yourself, and you already see it's 100% working. Alright. Now we only left the blog page, but before creating the blog page or before customizing the blog page, I want to show you how to create a single blog post. So to create a single blog post, we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. Then from left bar, let's go to posts, and from there, now first click on all posts. As we have imported the demo website, that's why we can see here some imported blog posts, and here you see all these blog post has its title, here's the author name, here's the category, here's the tag, and here's the publishing date. As we have imported the demo website, that's why we have got this imported single blog post. Now first, I will show you how you can create a single blog post from scratch. So to create a single blog post, from under posts, you can click here on add new, or from here, let's just click on add new. So now first you need to add the blog title from here. So here I'm writing a blog title. It says all you need to know about keto diet, pros and cons. Okay, we will be writing our blog details inside here within this blog, but before that I wanna show you some options here. Like within this blog, if you wanna add any sidebar, I mean if you just wanna turn on or off the sidebar, you can do that from here. But on this website, I wanna keep all the default settings like it is. So let's keep all the default settings here. So let's now scroll up. Let's now have a look how to write a single blog post from here. Now first have a look. If we click here, then on the right side here we can see a plus icon. So click here to add a new block. Now inside this block you can add any paragraph or image or heading or any gallery or list item or quote. Then there are several blocks. If we click on browse all, then you see you can insert any of these blocks from inside this Gutenberg blog editor. But here first, actually within the single blog post, we don't need all of them. We will be using only these basic blocks like paragraph, heading, list, quote, all these. Now let's add first a paragraph by clicking on this paragraph icon. We can simply drag this paragraph inside here. Or you can just simply click on this plus icon and click on paragraph. Then here I'm pasting some dummy text. Now underneath this, if you wanna add more text, just after this paragraph, hit enter. And let's write another paragraph here. you can add more paragraph in this same way. Okay, now let's say after this paragraph, if you want to add a heading, then click here on this placeholder. It says type or to choose a block. So I'm clicking here. Then from the right side, click on this plus icon. And like I said, this time I wanna use a heading widget. So let's take an heading. So here I want it to say be the change you want to see in the world. Now if you want to make this heading any other heading, like by default it's H2. Now from top, let's click here. You can make it H3, 4, 5. So here I want to make it H4 like this. Then underneath this heading widget, if you want to add more paragraph, just hit enter. Then you can add more text here in this way. Now let's say if you want to insert an image inside of this blog post, then after this paragraph, hit enter to make some space. Then from right side, click on this plus icon, and this time I'm selecting this image block. So from here you can upload the image. I'm clicking on upload. So let's insert this image and click on open. Now you can make the image smaller or bigger just by dragging from its corner like this. Then if you want to align the image, you can just click over this icon, and from here I want to make it to align center. You see it's now centered. Alright, now after this image I want to add more paragraph lines. So I'm hitting enter. Let's now add some more paragraph line, some more. And after this paragraph, I want to add a quote. So let's again hit enter. And here, this time click on this plus icon and select the quote block. Now I'm pasting some text here. So these will be shown as a quote on the real blog post. Alright, let's now hit enter. Alright, let's now hit enter twice. So here you can add more paragraph lines like this. Alright, so we have written the blog post. Let's now have a look. Here is the blog title. We have made this blog text by using paragraph, some heading, some images, some quote. But this is not all, because we need to set some other settings for this blog post. So to do it, from here top right corner, click on this gear icon, and then you see right now we are under post. So from here, first open the template. Make sure you have select the default template, and then we can select any category from here. So open the category. In this demo website, there are these 3 pre-built categories, but let's say if you wanna create more category, you can do that by clicking here, add new category. Let's say I wanna create another new category. It would be fitness, then click on add new category. So you can select one or multiple category for a single blog post. So I'm selecting fitness, also the nutrition category for this blog post. Now let's scroll down from right side. Here I want to add a featured image with this blog post. So click on featured image. Now click on set featured image. So for this blog post featured image, I'm selecting this image. Now click on set featured image. It's added. So when you are done with the blog post writing and also with these settings like the featured image, the category, then from top you can simply click on this publish button. Then click on publish one more time. So now if we want to preview the website, here on the right side you see here is a link. It says view post. So I'm opening this view post link from a new tab. So let's now have a look how our single blog post page is looking right now. So first have a look. Here at the top we can see the fitness and nutrition. These are the categories, and here this is our blog title, and here we can see this is the author name, and here this is the blog publishing date. Now here this big image, this is the featured image that we have just set. Then here underneath, first have a look on the left side. I will talk about the right portion a bit later. So here this all paragraph, this heading, this image, here is the quote. I have written all this from inside the blog writing editor. That's the Gutenberg editor. And then if we scroll down here, you can see how many comments we have got. Like right now we have no comments, so here it's saying 0 comment. Then here we have got social media sharing options. Now underneath here is the author name, that's Jim Fahad, and here is some details about the author. You may remember from WordPress dashboard profile we have set this text. Then here is the option for navigating through the previous post, and also here will be the navigator to go to the next blog post, and here is the related blog posts. I will show you shortly how to customize these as well. Now here underneath, this is the commenting option. Now have a look on the right side. Here on the right side we can see this is a search bar. Here we have got the recent posts, here is the recent comments, here is the social connects. Then on the right side here is other recent posts, and if we scroll down here is the newsletter option. If you wanna grab your customer's email address from the newsletter, then you can use this. And on the right side we have got the categories. So this is how our single blog post page is looking right now. If you want to customize this page, you can do that from theme customizer, and you can go to theme customizer from WordPress dashboard, and if we hover over on appearance, from there just click on customize, then you can go to theme customizer. Also, if you on the front end of your website, you can always access to this black top bar. From there you can simply click on customize. So right now we are inside the theme customizer. This is the SoleDad theme customizer. So from here, first I want to customize this single blog post page, and to customize it from here, from the left bar, let's click on this single posts. So I'm clicking here. Now first let's go inside general. So actually here you will get tons of options. You can control almost everything from this customizer. Like the first thing I wanna show you, here on the right side we can see this sidebar, but instead of right side, if you wanna display this sidebar on the left side, you can also do that from here. So you see it says single posts sidebar layout. By default it's on right side, but if I make it to left sidebar, now you see the sidebar is on the left side, but I don't want that, so I'm making it the right sidebar again. Then here at the top we can see this big featured image, and it's always good to display big featured image here. But let's say if you don't want to display this featured image at the top of the single blog post page, then you can disable that from here. So you can just click here, hide featured image on top. So if I click here, now you see at the top there is no featured image, but let's just turn it off so we can see the featured image at the very top of this blog post. Alright, let me show you more options. Like if we scroll through this, like here we can see the post author, here is the post date. If you wanna disable them, you can just select this to hide this Jim Fahad name. If you select this hide post date, then December 11, 2021, this date won't be shown. But I of course wanna show this metadata. Alright, let's now scroll down more. Okay, if we now have a look on the more options from this left side, so here you see it says hide comment count. Right now it says 0 comment because at this moment we have no comments here within this blog post. But if you wanna enable or disable it, you can do that from here. Then here is the author information. If you don't wanna display it, you can also disable that. You can disable that from this place. You see it says hide author box, so you can just click here, then the author box will be disabled. Like this, you can also enable or disable this previous or next post navigation bar from bottom. So here each and everything is customizable. Also from top, let's now go back. Even if we click on this related posts, so here these related posts are coming from this settings. So if you don't wanna show this related post, you can hide them from here. You just need to click here on hide related posts box. Also here you see that text, it says you may also, like if you wanna also change this text, you can change that from here. So you understand here each and everything is editable. Also if we go back and open the comments form, so basically this is the comment form. If you wanna hide it, you can hide that from here. Just click in this hide comment and comment form option. Alright, let's go back. Now go back one more time. Now I wanna show you how you can work with this sidebar. So to work with this sidebar from left options, let's now scroll down, and here I'm searching for widgets. So click on widgets. From there, let's go inside main sidebar, because this main sidebar is responsible for this sidebar on the right side on the single blog post page. So first this search bar, I wanna keep it. Then the recent post, alright, we can also keep that, but I don't want this recent comments. So if we want to delete it, okay, first it says welcome to block widgets. Okay, got it. So click here. Now here you see all these options, like first the search bar, then here is the recent posts. That's why we can see the recent posts here, and then here is the recent comments, but I don't want to display this on the right side here, so just click over it. Then from these three dots, click on remove a block. Also this one, click over it, click on these three dots. Now click on remove block. Like this. I also don't want this newsletter, so just click over it, then click on these three dots, then click on remove block. Alright, so on the right side, I also don't want this search bar because we already have a search bar here at the top. So from left, I don't want this one, so just click on these three dots and click on remove block. Alright, other than that, all other options like recent posts are fine and categories are fine. I'm pretty happy with the single blog post layout right now. So just scroll up from left, then click on this publish button to save these settings. Alright, so now I wanna customize the main blog page. To customize the main blog page, we need to go back to WordPress dashboard first. So let's click on this X to exit this customizer. Now let's go back to our dashboard. So I'm clicking here on dashboard. Then from here, pages, let's go to all pages. And here is our blog page. It says my blog. I'm opening it from Elementor page builder. Now click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so this is our main blog page. Here we can see all the blog posts. Here you see all of this, like this is the blog featured image, this is the blog categories, here is blog title, here is blog other metadata like the author name, date, and here is some excerpt. And then whenever we will click on this, that will take us to the single blog post page that we have just customized. Alright, let's now customize this blog page. First, like other pages, to make the design sync, I wanna change the background image of this top banner. So right click here, click, oops, not here, just right click here inside this section. So right click here, click on edit section. First go under style tab, from here global color, that's the light green color like other pages. And then here, this is the blog queries. So if we now click on this blue pencil icon here, we will find all the options for this blog query. So first of all, here have a look. Now here we can see the blog numbers 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the first page, we can see 8 blog posts, and then if we click on load more posts, more blog posts will appear here. But initially, instead of 8, I want to display only 6 blog posts. So to change that option, from here, let's click on query, and from here you see posts per page is set to 8, but instead of 8, I'm making it 6. And also, if we open the layout, from here, it says custom number posts for each time load more posts. Here, instead of 6, I want to make it 4. So now here you see by default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blog posts are here. And then if we click on this load more posts, instead of 6, other 4 blog posts will reveal underneath here. Alright, I'm pretty much happy with these settings, but of course you are always free to play with all of these settings, because if we have a look within this style, just click there, you will be amazed. You see how many options are available. Like here, the default setting is grid 2 columns post, but let's say if you just click on overlay posts, right now all the blog posts are looking like this. But it looks super big, so instead of that, let's select another layout. So from here, style, I'm selecting boxed posts style 1, and yep, it looks pretty cool. So let's keep our blog page like this, because so far I'm pretty happy with it. So to save it, from here click on this green update button. Alright, so we are almost done with all of the pages. Now I want to customize the header and footer of our website. So to do that, again we need to go back to our theme customizer. So first let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now from left, if we hover over on appearance, from there go to theme customizer. So I'm clicking here on customize. Alright, so let's first start with the header customization. So first I wanna show you how to play with the logo, how you can change the logo with your own logo. So if you wanna change this logo with your own logo, then from the customizer, let's click here on logo and header, then go inside logo. Now you can replace this logo by clicking here. Just click on change image. So here we can upload any other logo. For now, I just wanna upload a random logo only to show you how to work with the logo. So I'm clicking here on upload files. Let's now click on select files. So I'm selecting this logo. Now click on open, then click on choose image. So here at the top our logo is looking perfectly fine, but if you face any problem with your logo, you can always adjust the width and height from this place. Also, if you wanna have a look how your logo is looking on tablet and mobile device, you can do that from here. So from the theme customizer, just click here on this tablet icon to have a look how your logo is looking on tablet device. It's looking perfect. Now if we click on mobile device, on the mobile device our logo is also looking perfect. Then on the left side here we can see the hamburger. Now logo goes at the top of this off canvas menu. Alright, let's now click on this X and go back to desktop view. So now we know how to work with logo, but honestly this logo is not going perfectly well. But honestly I want to replace this logo with the previous logo because that suits best with this health niche website. So from here, click here again change image, and I'm selecting the previous logo. Now click on choose image, and of course you will be uploading here your own image. I'm just showing you how to change or upload your own images or logos. Okay, now I want to show you another thing, how you can change the fav icon of your website. So what is a fav icon? If we have a look at the browser top, here you can see a little tiny icon. Right now we can see the browser's default fav icon here, but if we want to upload our own fav icon, then just go back on the customizer here, go back one more time, then let's go inside the general and then click on general settings. From here you can upload your own fav icon. Just to make sure the fav icon is square shaped, so that could be 64 by 64 or 300 by 300, anything, but that should be square shaped. So here I'm clicking on select image. Let's now go to upload files, click on select files. I'm selecting one of my fav icons here. Now click on open. If you want you can also use this, but it's always great practice to have your own fav icon. Alright, so click here on choose image. So here we have uploaded our fav icon, but still we cannot see the fav icon here. Actually we can see that very shortly whenever we will refresh the page. So for now let's do other settings, then whenever we will refresh the page we can see the fav icon at the top of our browser here. Okay, so let's now go back one more time. Now I wanna show you how to work with these navigation menus. So let's say if you wanna add more menu items, or if you wanna change the links of the menu items, then how you can do that? You can do that from here. So here I'm searching for menus. Here we go. This is menus. Click here. And this is our primary menu. So go inside the primary menu. Now here you can see this is our home, services, about me, contact and blog. And here this services, about me, contact, my blog, all these are pages. So if we just open one of them, here you see this is our services page. And then if we open the home, let's open it, you see this is a custom link. And as we have imported it as a demo website, so here is still the demo link is sitting here. So I just wanna replace this link. After the https:// I wanna put here our website name, that's our elementor.com. You should put your website URL here. Alright, let's now minimize it. Now I wanna show you another thing. Let's say if you want to create another menu item, how you can do that? Just click on this add items. Then let's say I wanna insert here a new menu item. So I wanna put a custom link inside of that menu. So I'm creating the menu item by clicking here on this custom links. Let's click here. The menu item should say partners, and I wanna link it to my real website. That's gymfahaddigital.com. So here I'm linking it https://gymfahaddigital.com. And now click here on add to menu. So now you understand not only your website pages, you can also add any external link within the menu items. And now let's say if I want to place these partners after the About Me item, then we can just simply drag this partner underneath the About Me item here. So now have a look on the real website. If we just click here, now on the real website you see Home, Services, About Me, and then we can see here is Partners. And if we click on these partners, it will take us to gymfahaddigital.com. Alright, now you know how to work with these menu items. Now I will show you how to work with these social icons or social links. So from top, let's go back. Now go back one more time. Now from left bar, here I'm searching for social media. Here is the social media. Let's now click here. You see here are tons of social media names like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Flickr, you can name it. There are a lot list. So here the rule is very simple. Like whenever you will put your LinkedIn link inside of this field, on that time the LinkedIn icon will be shown here. Like if I just put here a hash, then you see here is a LinkedIn icon added newly. So of course you shouldn't put just an empty hash link. You should put here your real LinkedIn ID link. Also here inside you should put your Facebook page URL. Here inside you should put your Twitter handle URL like this. And if you don't wanna put your Pinterest link or Pinterest icon here, then you just need to remove your Pinterest link from inside the Pinterest field. So I'm removing it from here. Now have a look, there is no Pinterest icon at the top. And not only with these top icons, this social media also works with the bottom social media area. Like if we scroll to the footer of our website, here you see we have also got the social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. These social media icons are also coming from the same place. So right now you see there is no Pinterest at the bottom, but if I put here a Pinterest link, for example, I'm putting just a hashtag to make a fake link. Now you see a Pinterest link has been added here, but you know, I don't want that. I'm showing you only to give you the example. I'm removing the Pinterest link. Now from bottom area Pinterest, social link also has been removed. Alright, now the very last customization, I want to show you how you can change this footer text. So to do it, from top, let's go back. Now from here, let's now scroll down, and here is our footer. So let's click on footer and go inside general. From here, if we scroll down, now scroll down more. Yep, from here you can change all this text that we can see underneath on the main footer. So first here, instead of 2019, I wanna say it 2022. And then it says designed and developed by Pensy Design. So here instead of Pensy Design, I want it to say Gym Fahad Digital. And then I wanna link this Gym Fahad Digital text to my gymfahaddigital.com website. So here instead of this link, I'm removing this link from here, and here I'm typing https://gymfahaddigital.com. So right now this bottom gymfahaddigital.com is linked to my main website. So when you are done with all these settings, all of your footer settings, all of this header setting, when you are done with your logo, with all the menu items, with all the social media links, then from top just click on this publish button to save all of these settings. And by the way, you can also check the responsiveness of your website from this theme customizer. Like here at the bottom you see this is the desktop icon, this is the tablet icon, and this is the mobile icon. So from here, if we click on this tablet device, you can see the real view of your website, how it's looking on tablet device. So you see on the tablet device our website is looking perfectly great. And then if we click on this mobile device icon, so let's first start from top. On the mobile device our website is looking perfectly fine. everything is looking organized on mobile device. All the sections, the client reviews section, everything is looking perfect. Here is the connect section, everything is looking perfect on the mobile device. Then also from the top left, if we click on this hamburger icon, we can see the off canvas menu. From here, let's say if we click on the services, then we can also see the mobile view of the services page. Everything is looking great on the mobile device. I really like the responsive view of our website. Also, let's go to another page. For example, I'm going to our blog page. Just have a look. On mobile device, our blog page is looking super clean. There are tons of white space. Everything is looking 100% perfect. Also, if we click on any single blog post, so let's click on this blog post. So this is the responsive view of the single blog post page. Everything is looking great. All the social share, here's the related blog posts, and you see this is the sidebar, so it went under the main blog post here. Everything is looking great on mobile device. And again, if we click on the logo, it takes us to the home page of our website. Alright, let's now go back to the desktop view. And finally, when you are happy with your work, click on this top X to exit from this theme customizer. Alright, so we are almost done with our website, and here I just wanna show you last few things. Like at the beginning of this tutorial, I promised I would show you how to make these packages functional. Let's say if you don't want to take the payments through your website, then you can just make this button as a contact button. I mean, whenever anyone clicks on these buttons, that will take them to the contact page, and through your contact page, they can manually contact with you. So to do it, we can just go inside Elementor Page Builder. From the top of this page, just click on Edit with Elementor. Now from inside Elementor Page Builder, let's scroll down to the the pricing section. So here, let's say if you just wanna make this button as a contact button, so they can manually contact with you, and then you can contact them manually over phone or elsewhere. On that case, just click over it. Then from left side, if we just scroll down, here you see, here is the button link. So you can simply here can put your contact page URL. So from here, you can just select the contact page. But I don't wanna do that because I wanna make it completely functional. I wanna make the transaction within this website. So to enable that e-commerce functionality, first we need to install some plugins. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now from here, let's hover over on plugins and then go to add new. Alright, so let's close this top pop-up. Okay, now the first plugin here I'm searching for, that's Woocommerce. Here it is, it's Woocommerce by Automatic. Let's now click on install now and then click on activate. Now here Woocommerce is asking for some of our information, so you need to put your address line here. I'm putting the address here, then here's the country. Select your country from here. I'm selecting California, United States. Then city, I'm writing here Tustin, and let's put your postal code here. And then I'm unchecking this because I don't wanna get all this email every day. So let's deselect it and click on continue. Now here Woocommerce want us to help me to create this Woocommerce website, but I don't need that. So here I'm clicking on no thanks. And then it says in which industry does the store operate, and our website is under health and beauty, so I'm selecting this one. Now click on continue. Now here it says what type of products will be listed. So if you sell physical products like any CBD oil or any health related product that's physical, so you can touch it, then you can select the physical product. You can also select download products. Let's say if you sell ebooks or any online course, then you can also select this one. So I'm selecting downloads. Let's now click on continue. Now it says how many products do you plan to display. So here you can put anything because it's nothing related to the functionality. They are just taking this survey to improve their platform. So here I'm taking 1 to 10 and currently selling elsewhere. So if you sell outside of this website, you can select yes on another platform, but I'm selecting no. Now let's click on continue. Now they want to add some other plugins with it, but I don't want that, so I'm deselecting it, and let's now click on continue. And lastly, it says choose a theme. So right now, you know, our SoleDad theme is activated. So I'm clicking here continue with my active theme. Alright, so we have successfully installed the Woocommerce plugin. Let's close this pop-up. Here on the left, you see under Woocommerce, we have home, order, customers, coupon, reports, all these settings. And here's the settings for products. So if we want to create any new product, we can add that product from this place. I will add products shortly, but before that, I wanna do some Woocommerce settings. So from under Woocommerce, let's now click on settings. So first here I'm under general tab. Okay, let's close this pop-up. Now here, if you want to change your address, you can do that from here, and all these default options are fine for me. Let's say here it says selling location, sell to all countries, but if you want to specify any region, you can do that. I'm keeping all the default settings here. If you want, you can also change the currency to any other currency, but I'm keeping everything default. Let's now go under products tab. From here, I will also keep everything default, but I just wanna check this option. It says add to cart behavior. I'm turning this option on. It says redirect to the cart page after successful addition. So let's check it. Then from bottom, click on save changes. And as our product would be digital product or downloadable product, so we don't need any shipping settings. So let's now go under accounts and privacy. I will show you shortly how to set up payments, but before that, let's go under accounts and privacy settings. So from here, you can set everything as default, but from here, I'm selecting this option. Also, let's select this option and this one. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Alright, let's now set up the payment. So go under payment tab. By the way, this Elementor pop-up is really annoying because I have closed it multiple times, but still it's coming again. Alright, let's click on no thanks. Okay, so by default, we can see all these payment methods like direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery. As our product is not a physical product, so of course we won't be using all of this option. I want to enable credit card payment or PayPal payment through this website. So to enable PayPal and credit card, we need to install another plugin. So to enable that, from left, let's hover over on plugins, go to add a new. This time I'm searching for Woocommerce PayPal. So here, this one, Woocommerce PayPal payments, I will be using this. So let's now click on install now and then click on activate. Now to set up that PayPal checkout, we just again go to Woocommerce, hover over on it. From there, go to settings. Now go under the payments tab. Here you see two options has been added. One is PayPal and another is PayPal card processing. I'm turning on both of these, so let's turn it on. Also, let's turn this on. So after turning on the PayPal option, it takes us to this settings page. So here, if you just wanna test your transaction, then you can enable this sandbox option, but I wanna enable the real PayPal here. So you can do it just by clicking here on this button, connect to PayPal. Then you need to log in via your email address and your PayPal password. Actually, you don't need to do anything manually. That will automatically connect your PayPal with this WordPress website. But here, I want to show you how you can do that manually. So from here, you see manual mode. Just click on toggle to manual credential input. So first, here you need to put your email address. So this is the email address you're using for your PayPal. Here I'm putting mine. Then you need to put your merchant ID within this field. So if you wonder how to get your PayPal merchant ID, just log in into your PayPal account. Then from top right corner, if you hover over on your name, from there just click on account settings. I'm opening it from a new tab. Then from this page on the left, click on the business information. Now you can see your PayPal merchant ID here. So I'm just copying it. Let's copy it from here. Now go inside our WordPress dashboard. Oops, not here. Go inside WordPress dashboard and put the merchant ID here. Then you need to put your client ID. So to get your client ID, again go inside PayPal. Then from the main tab, click on App Center. Then if you scroll down, or you can search it from here. I'm here searching for API credentials. So here it is. Let's click on API credentials. Now from here, click on Get Started. Then here you will get your client ID and the secret key. So from here, I'm first copying the client ID, go inside WordPress and paste the client ID here. Now go inside PayPal and let's copy this secret key from here. Go inside WordPress and paste the key here. And then click here on this Save Changes button. So our PayPal setup is ready. Now from here under PayPal checkout, just select this option. It says enable the PayPal gateway. I'm turning it on. Then again scroll down to the bottom. Go to the very bottom of this page and click on Save Changes. So our WooCommerce settings has been done. Now I want to add some products. So to add products, from left, if you scroll down, here you see products, hover over on it and from there click on Add New. Let's now add our first product, and our first product would be, let's now go inside Elementor. This would be our first product. It's weight loss. So let's just copy this name. Okay, I cannot copy from inside here. Okay, let's type here manually. It's weight loss. And then if you want, you can write the description of that product. So as it would be a downloadable product, because for example, let's make it a downloadable ebook. If so, then just go inside the product. So if they buy this package, they will get this like custom mail, then 2 Zoom session and 1 ebook. Alright, let's now scroll down. Then here from right side, if you want, you can also add a product category. So from here, I'm adding a category to packages. Now click on Add New Category. And then from right side, for this product, if you want, you can add an image. Let's click on Set Product Image. Now go to Upload Files, click on Select Files. Now inside the products file, I'm selecting this image. Now click on Open, then click on Set Product Image. Okay, now here's the main thing. Make sure it's a simple product. So from here, the simple product is selected, and as this is not a physical product, it's a virtual product. So select this virtual product, and we will be providing them an ebook. That's why I'm also selecting this downloadable option. So here the regular price, so this price would be $99. So here I'm putting $99. If you want to give them any discount, you can put the sale price here, but at this moment I don't want to give any sale price, so the regular price is the main price. Then here you see it says download limit. If they purchase it one time within their account, they can download it as many as they want. So let's keep these settings the default settings. From here I will upload the downloadable files. So just click on Add File. Now from here I'm giving the file name to Diet Book. Then let's choose the file. So I'm clicking here, go to Upload Files, click on Select Files. Now here I'm uploading this PDF ebook. Now click on Open. So here the PDF ebook has been uploaded. Now click on Insert File URL. So they can only get access of this ebook after purchasing this product or this package. And the other settings like this inventory settings, we can keep everything default. But if you want, you can give it a unique SKU number to remember it easily. But I'm keeping everything default. So go to General. Alright, so when you are sure about the price, all the ebooks, then just scroll up a bit. From here, click on Publish to publish this product. So we have launched our first product. Then I wanna add some more products, and instead of adding those products from scratch, I just wanna copy this product and change some information like their name, their price, and the images. So let's just copy this product first. We can do that easily from here. Click on Copy to a new draft. I'm clicking here. So here it says weight loss copy, but this product would be this Happy Life product. So here I'm typing Happy Life. Let's keep everything same, because on your real product you can change all of these informations. But from here, instead of this image, let's select another image. So I'm uploading a new image. From here, let's select Happy Life, this product. Click on Set Product Image. Now here, this regular price, it would be $129. So here I'm putting $129. Then if you want to sell another ebook, you can just upload another ebook here within this file URL. But for now, I'm keeping it all same. So let's now scroll up, click on Publish. and I wanna create another product. So click here, copy to a new draft, and this product, it would be the full services, this product. So go to edit product. Now here I'm writing full services and its price is $159. So from here I'm changing the price to $159. Also, let's change the product image from here. So upload another image. I'm selecting this image. Perfect. Let's now scroll up and click on publish. So right now, if you want to see how many products we have added, then from here, if you hover over on products, or here under products, we can see all products. Now click on all products. We can see here 3 products that we have just added. One is full services, another one is happy life, and another one is weight loss. All them are in stock. Here is their prices, here is their category, and here is the publishing date. Cool. Now we will be adding this product within Elementor Page Builder. So first let's go inside Elementor Page Builder, because here first we need to do some customization, because here it says per month, but this is a downloadable ebook. So here I just want to change this per month text. So from here, instead of per month, I wanted to say one-time fee. Then let's copy it. I want to apply this same text within all of these packages. Also with the third one here, instead of per month, I'm saying one-time fee. Okay, let's now go back to the first product, this one. Here on this register now button, I want to put the link of the first product. So to do it, just scroll down. Here we need to put the button address, the product address. And as this is not a regular shop website, so you cannot just browse through all the products like all the hoodies, shoes, then select the product, go to the cart page, then the checkout page. This is not a usual e-commerce website. You just want to sell your specific packages or ebooks. So here my goal is, whenever anyone clicks on this register now button, that will directly take them to the add to cart page. And from that page, they can go to the checkout page and pay them using their PayPal or credit card. So to make that happen, here inside this button link, we need to put a specific code or a specific URL. So to get the format, we can go to jimfahaddigital.com. This page's URL is already in the description. So from under important links, here you see it says link button to product cart page. So from here, I'm copying this URL pattern. Now go inside Elementor. Now from inside this button link, remove this hash first. Now I'm pasting the snippet here. Now have a look. It starts with website.com. So of course this is a demo name, because our website name is not website.com. Our website name is ourelementor.com. So I'm copying this whole https://ourelementor.com. Not this WP admin or any extra thing. Just copy the main URL of your website. Then here, first remove the website.com text and put your website URL. So it's your website name.com / then a question mark, then add to cart equal product ID. So from here, remove the product ID, and here you need to put the product ID of this product. So if we now go to the products from WordPress dashboard, here you see this product is weight loss, and if we hover over on the product name, here we can see the product ID is 330. So just copy this product ID from here, go inside Elementor. Now from this link, just remove this product ID text and here paste the ID code, that's 330. Now I'm just copying this whole link from here because I wanna now set the second price button link. So click on this button. Now from left, let's scroll down, just remove this hashtag, paste the same code here, but instead of 330, the Happy Life product code is 333. So I'm just copying it, go inside Elementor, then here instead of 330, I'm putting here 333, and with the third product, from left, let's scroll down, remove the button link here, our website name.com / add to cart equal, then it wouldn't be 333, it would be the code for the full services product, it's 335. So just copy the code, go inside Elementor. Now here, instead of 333, I'm pasting 335. Alright, let's now click on update button to save this page. And now to preview the website, click on this eyeball icon. So this is the real view of our homepage. Let's now scroll down. So here I'm going under the package pricing section. Let's say now I want to take this weight loss program. You see the price is $99 and here is the register now button. Let's now click on register now. It directly takes us to the cart page and you see on the cart the weight loss product has been added. Then if you wanna take this program multiple times, maybe one is for yourself and another is for your wife, maybe you can increase the number from here. But here I wanna take one, so I'm setting it to quantity 1. Now from here you can click on proceed to checkout, or you can directly pay via PayPal from the cart page as well. But let's see, if we click on proceed to checkout, it takes us to the checkout page. So from here your customers just need to put their first name, last name, all other informations, and then from right side if they click on PayPal they can pay through PayPal, or if they click here on debit or credit card they can also pay through their credit or debit card. So it's now completely functional. Now let me show you another thing. If we just go to our homepage again, because I want to save this section as a template so we can easily reuse this section on other pages, because you know our services page also has this section, so we don't need to do these things over and over again on all other pages. So from here let's just select this inner section, or we can select this whole section from here. Just right click here, then click on save as template. I'm naming it functional pricing. Then click on save. So it's now saved as functional pricing. Okay, if we now go back to our website and let's say if we go to the services page, and here in this page we have this same section, it says package pricing. So click on edit with Elementor. Then now scroll down. First here I'm clicking on this plus icon. Then let's click on this folder icon, go to my templates, and here I'm importing the functional pricing. Just click on insert and click on no. So here it's inserted successfully with the complete functional buttons, and we don't need this section anymore. So let's just delete this one, and then to save it just click on this green update button. Alright, so now you know how to create a complete health and fitness website by yourself. You know how to make a complete blog and how to make a complete e-commerce functionality within your website. So now just go ahead and make your website live today. I believe this video has added some value into your life. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload another valuable video like this on this YouTube channel. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.